recording.
I want you to enjoy yourself when you're out riding.
I like the full face for like when it rains, but today it's cold.
Well, it's easier to understand what you're saying too with a full face. With the other ones, the half helmets that we had and the 3/4, it was just too much wind noise. Well, if you know which one you want, you can just order. What size did you try out there? You don't listen very well, do you?
I couldn't, because there was a girl that had a ball. She kept putting them one after another on. She couldn't make up her mind. And I wasn't going to sit out there forever and wait for her to make her mind up.
Well, you had to sit out there and wait for the bike to get done.
Well, the one that I wanted, they only had a medium. I couldn't even get that on my head.
No.
So,
yours is an extra large.
yeah. And then the one like mine, all they had was a large. There was no tiny things on there anyway.
Well, that's what I'm saying. We go home and get on Harley's website, and if you know what color or kind you want, then just get it.
I like that red one I saw.
Red? I thought you said orange.
No, it's red. Reddish orange. It's just like yours you put on your head now, but it's red.
Okay. What, about $200?
I think that's what it was.
Yeah, it's probably the same helmet, just different color.
But the girl, after trying all them on, she was pissed because they didn't have any in stock. She needed them right away.
Well,
They're like, well, we can tell you where to go. And she kind of want to travel all over the place looking for something.
If you know what one you want, just order it. I'm sure if you get an extra large, it'll be about the same size. And these fit a little different than what the other ones do. So,
You said it don't fit as tight like the white one.
well, it does around your cheeks at first, but then you keep spreading it open to get it open, it loosens up a little bit.
See, we made a mistake because we just like what they look like.
Yeah, because it matches the bike.
The comfort.
I never even thought about it the other way. Well, it ain't the first time, won't be the last time. Yeah, I'm just saying, if you think it's hot now, you wait till you get down there. And you wish you had your coveralls on so you could wear shorts underneath. See, if you don't talk to me and tell me different things, I don't know what you want, what you need. I got $400 in my wallet here. We can go pick you up one right now. There's no sense of suffering when you don't have to.
That kid in that
Huh?
that kid in that gas station said he was watching the news and he says severe storms were out this way tomorrow. This is going to be nasty.
Yeah. JR says it's raining like crazy down there. He says it's supposed to rain like that all week. It's because that tropical storm came up.
Yeah.
Last time I looked, it was supposed to be south of us, so hopefully we don't get it. And by the time we get on there to Tennessee, it should be through. I think that was part of the reason why it was showing rain the first part of next week.
Well, now the percentage is so low.
Yeah. Get ready to sweat. That helmet, you got to make sure it's going to be here before. I mean, you might even have to pay for express delivery to get it here done. It could be like last time if the Rubber City has them or Cleveland has them, or then we have to run clear up there to have them ship it down to you. I'm just saying, if you know what size, when you got home, I would just try my other helmet on and see how much extra room it has. Then you know what to order. Not to be mean or make fun of you, but you got a bigger head like normal, I mean.
I have a lot of hair on my head too.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
And then if it's curly, it makes it harder for something else to get on.
Well, if you try this helmet on, and it's too loose, you know, you go down one size.
This one fits perfect.
It's too hot though.
Hot, yeah. As I ride with the shield up.
You got the vents open?
Yeah.
Understand that. And just like we talked about before, if you just need a sip of something, you can't even take a sip.
No, you can't even talk with this one.
Well, like I said, we'll check Harley-Davidson's website and just have one ordered. Gonna run it.
That's the first time ever.
Got a greenie, huh? Oh, you're tough. You make it harder than it has to be half the time.